a giant wind turbine, in just 1 hour. It generates a massive 6,250 kilowatt hours, but transporting and installing it is tough. Why? Because installing it requires the world's top 4,000-ton crane. No other crane can do this job. The transport trailer even broke. The 4,000-ton crane is dismantled and ready to be loaded for transport. Meanwhile, its main boom and platform are also on their way down. Let's go set up the main crane. I heard a truck carrying parts had a small issue. Let's check it out. The truck carrying the cylinders, its trailer snapped in half. Guys, two 20-ton cylinders actually broke the trailer, but we have no choice. We have to find a new trailer to reload. After 2 days of driving, the boom arrived 450 kilometers away at the wind farm. Let's unload it. Guys, the weather here is incredibly dry. I drink 4 or 5 bottles of water daily. Our boom is dismantled into pieces. The 35th and 36th sections are light. The 73-ton main and second boom will be attached to the crane directly. After unloading, the main truck arrived. We are heading out to unload it. Once unloaded, both cranes will enter the site together. The 500-ton crane is heading in. Let's see how much we can assemble today. After arriving at the site, the 4,000-ton crane sets its outriggers. Then we install the upper structure. The main and second booms weigh 73 tons. Once they are installed, our crane is basically set up in heavy lift mode. The 4,000-ton crane is fully assembled. We're calling it a day. Tomorrow we'll move the crane to the foundation. It's year-end, and everyone here needs cash fast. 2 guys just asked me for advice. I'm sure many of you relate. Not sure what to do? I usually suggest reliable loan apps. It's well tested and safe. The process is very clear. There's a year-end promo now. New users get a 4.9% rate with equal installments. Interest on 10K is just 270. It's a great deal. Now we're moving to the base. Once in position, we'll assemble the other boom sections. The boom was delivered here early. 2 cranes have prepped the 4,000-tonner. Now we start assembling the boom. Once done, we set up the vehicle. Let me explain. The 4,000-ton assembly process. First, after parking, we installed 350 tons of counterweights and the 30-ton superlift. Finally, we attached the 124 meters jib. With the 81 meters main boom, it can extend up to 205 meters. The 4,000-ton super crane is ready. We fully extend the 81 meters main boom and prepare for lifting. The first step of installation is to attach the 16 meters tower section onto the 155 meters tall tower. It's the only steel tower section here. This way, the nacelle we're installing will be over 171 meters high. Once the section is in place, we wait for workers to secure it. It takes about 2 to 3 hours. Once secured, we lift the 150-ton nacelle. The 150-ton nacelle must be lifted above 171 meters. Do you know why we need a 4,000-ton crane? At this height and weight, only this crane can handle it. A large crawler crane could work. To assemble one here. Next, we lift the hub. While it's on the ground, we test the pitch system. While we lift, is moving the 100 meters blades to the base. But what's going on here? It can't go up. They probably need a loader. To pull it up, we'll lift the hub first. By the time that's done, when lifting the blades, it was already day 2. Let's see if we can finish. Lifting all 3 blades today. Once the blade is secured, workers untie the ropes. We prep for the next step. Before installing blade 2, the hub must be rotated to the next position. Well guys, this 6.25 megawatts turbine is almost fully assembled. It generates 6,250 kilowatt hours per hour. It will provide vital clean energy